Greetings and welcome to Road Trip JA, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is Dr. A. Thank you for joining us today on this very monumental day in Zion. What is going to be happening today is that we are going to visit the Albion Seventh-day Adventist Church in St. Thomas. And this church is located in the Albion district. It is on Cage Road, Albion Estate. You can approach it or be there from two different means. You can drive down by the double drive from the gas station, or you can drive down from the pump house where the National Water Commission tank and the pump reservoir is currently located. Today I invite you to just enjoy this trip with us as we move to the Albion Seventh-day Adventist Church. So now we're leaving the Albion Boulevard and we're making our way up Barrant Drive. This is indeed the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. When you hear someone say that, you know that it means that business is about to take place. So we're going to be sharing with you both the aerial and also the actual trip in terms of driving. So if you're driving, you have an idea as to what the area looks like. Yes, we know the roads are not as exquisite as the one on the main, but this still is one of the best communities in St. Thomas. And we are just in anticipation of the blessings that we are about to receive. So today I will be spending some time at this church. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can go on the church channel and visualize a day with me in church. I will be able to take you to church, but I can't take you in the church. That you'll have to do independently. So they'll be having live recording of the service, and you'll experience what it is that I will be experiencing while there today. I do hope that this will be a blessing to someone, because I know that as we go through life, there are times when we need a little bit of encouragement just to keep us pushing forward, and the church has served its purpose. I just want to say to everyone, thanks for joining us on this Saturday, July 23rd, 2022. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way in. If this video added a new perspective or gave you an insight that is deemed meaningful, please indicate by turning the like button blue. And feel free to share this with your friends and family so they can be edified in a likened manner. At the end of this video, please don't forget to check the links in the description so you can visit the church online, providing that you are not able to be here in person. And from us here at Road Trip JA, as we always say, walk, ride, drive, and fly good. Have yourself a blessed day. Signing out is Dr. A.